Hi, this is Maria with the Customer Factor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add expenses into your Customer Factor account, including regular business expenses, vehicle mileage, and subcontractor expenses. From your dashboard, hover over Business Center and then click Expenses. Here you'll see options for adding expenses, tracking vehicle mileage, and tracking subcontractor expenses. We'll start with adding a standard expense. First, select a category. From the drop-down, I'll choose Dues and Subscriptions. Next is Vendor. For this example, I'll select the Customer Factor since this is a software subscription. Then for description, I'll choose Monthly Subscription. Notice the green plus icons next to category, vendor, and description. These let you quickly add new options if something you need isn't already in the list. There's also a button to edit, the pencil icon, and an option to delete, the red trash bin button. Now let's fill in the required fields. Select the date of expense and enter the dollar amount, then an invoice number or receipt number. If this is a recurring expense like a monthly subscription, set recurring to yes. If it's a one-time expense, leave it as no. Once everything looks good, click Save. Below the main expense section, you'll see vehicle expenses. You can add your vehicles here. This is where you can track mileage if you use the IRS mileage allowance. Simply select the vehicle, date range, and the total miles. The thing to note about this is that it's a bit old school. Some folks prefer it, but in our mobile app, it's all automated. So if you log into the app and clock in and out, your mileage is tracked automatically. Nothing for you to do or insert. Just clock in and out. All mileage can then be retrieved when running an expense report. To continue, next is subcontractor expenses. Here you can log payments made to subcontractors. Select the subcontractor name, enter the date paid, and the amount. If the subcontractor isn't listed yet, just click this green plus sign button to add them. Click Save when done. And that's it. You've successfully added an expense in the Customer Factor. Remember, you can also run expense report anytime using the links in this page. We'll cover reports in a separate video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.